Okay, welcome to our first product demonstration of the new plugin for Rhinoceros. And you can see here, this is the new toolbar that RevWare has designed for the direct interface into the Rhinoceros software. What's unique about this particular toolbar is the addition of the alignment system and the ability to do probe calibration here in the system. So let's get started. We're going to digitize a 1, 2, 3 block just to give you a general overview of how to use the new software functionality. So one of the first things we want to do is establish a coordinate system. So we're going to come up here to our alignment wizard. We're going to press on that, and we're going to bring the probe down to the part. So let's go ahead and pick up a plane, and we'll measure 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll establish a plane. We'll advance to the next function. We're going to pick up the origins. We're going to use the corner of the part here for our origin. And then we're going to use the front face as our X direction. And we'll use the side face here as our Y direction. All right, so it gives us the location of our base plane, and we'll go ahead and finish up. So now we'll be able to use the coordinate system of the Rhino software to do some of our design work. So just for grins and giggles real quick, let's jump onto a set of points, and let's just move the probe along to check it in X and check it in Y, and we are absolutely aligned. So let's get started digitizing our part. Come over here to Align command. Going to hold down our right mouse button so it'll give us a larger palette, and we're going to pick the single line command. So we'll come in here to the part. Let's just pick a single line. We'll use the back button to back up one line on the command bar, and then we'll pick up the function again. And then a third time. And then a fourth time. So now we have our 4 lines to constitute our 1, 2, 3 block. Let's go ahead while we're here and pick up some circles. So we'll use a 3-point process. First point, second point, third point. Pick up our second circle. First point, second point, third point. And then our third circle. First point, second point, third point. All right, now we're going to take all of this data and we're going to project it down to our C-plane so we could use the planar surface to work on the part. So we'll say yes to deleting the input items. You'll see that it's projected down nice and flat to our C-plane, and now let's go ahead and trim up these lines so we can extrude it. So we'll come up here to our extend, and we'll hit the connect function, pick up our first line, our second line, hit the right mouse button, first line, second line, hit the right mouse button to back up the command, and then our fourth one. All right, so now that we've got this data prepared, what we're going to do is extrude this up as a wireframe. So we'll come up here to solids, and we're going to say extrude planar curves straight. Now, the interesting thing, select the curves and hit enter. And now we have a dynamic view of our part. So you'll notice that it's using the microscribe to find that extrusion point. So we're just going to land right here on top of the part, and we'll go ahead and click the trigger button to take the point. So now we've got a solid built up of our part. So let's go ahead and keep working. From now, we'll work on the front plane, and let's pick up a few more circles. So we'll use that 3-point solution again, and we'll just point and shoot. First point. Second point. 3 more circles to go. And the last one. All right, so now that we've got that data, let's highlight it. We're going to project it to the front plane where we were working. So transform, project to C plane. And let's make the front plane and hit yes to delete. So we can see it projects everything nice and flat to the C plane, and then let's use the same command, solids, extrude planar curve straight, and we'll grab the microscribe and we're going to find the back side of the part. And we'll click the button. So now we've got all the geometry we need to take this 321 block directly into any CAD system, and then we could fill it out. Now, obviously, a 321 block is a fairly simple thing, but it helps us demonstrate the functionality of the microscribe and the Rhino digitizing solution. So there you go. All the geometry you need to complete the project. See, it's very fast, very easy, very intuitive, and it's a great way to digitize your products. So thank you for taking a look at the microscribe with Rhinoceros and the RevWare plugin, digitizing a 1-2-3 block. If you have any more questions, we'd be happy to answer any questions. Please contact us at 434-946-9125. Thanks, and have a great day.